Good day, my amazing people of Ebony People TV. So today I stumbled upon something that has my jaw dropping. You won't believe this. There's this massive white castle somewhere in the southeast. In Igbo land, I mean, this isn't just a house, it's a whole situation. When I say castle, I'm not even joking. This white building is sparkling like it came straight out of a Disney movie. But here's the thing, you all. I'm confused. Is this really like a house or is it a hotel? Is it a palace? Because this thing is big. Like, how do I even describe it? It's way bigger than a mansion. It's not your regular fine house you see even in the big cities. It's giving I am rich and I know it kind of vibes. Okay, we spotted this building somewhere in Nnewi, Anambra State. I knew it. It would always happen in Nnewi. This white castle is sitting majestically in the middle of Nnewi, and guess what? It's surrounded by bushes, like proper bush. Why would someone even drop something so exquisite in the middle of nowhere? Money is good though, honestly. Imagine driving through some local roads and boom, this white fortress is standing there, looking like it doesn't even belong to this planet. Now, I've heard speculation. Some people say it might be a hotel, others say no, this is somebody's house. But honestly, my people, whatever it is, I just know it's fine. Like, it's fine. You just have to give it to the Igbos. When it comes to making a statement, they don't hold back. If they want to build something, they go all out. Is it hotel? Is it house? Is it business? They go all the way out to make it stand out. It's not just a building, it's art, it's pride, and it's luxury all rolled into one. And let me ask you all, why do Igbos love building these huge, breathtaking structures in the village? I mean, think about it. You have houses in the cities like Lagos, Abuja, or Enugu, or even outside Nigeria. But when it's time to build in the village, it's always like a competition to see who can build the biggest, most beautiful house. Why is it always like that? And if you look at it carefully, these village houses are usually way bigger than the ones you see in the city. I once asked someone, even in my previous video, I threw the same questions, and some people be like, home will always be home no matter where you live or work. The village is where your roots are and you want to always make it stand out. You always come back to the village house and feel so relaxed. That's true, but honestly, building something this grand in the middle of a village, isn't it a bit too much, or is it just me? Let's not even forget the maintenance. Who will be taking care of this place? Because this isn't the kind of house you just sweep and mop in 30 minutes. No, this one needs a team. I'm talking cleaners, gardeners, even gatekeepers. This is high maintenance on another level. Anyway, I'm not complaining, no. In fact, I love it. I absolutely love it. If you have the money, please build it anyhow you want it. After all, it's your money. And let's give a big shout out to whoever it is that owns this masterpiece, because they've shown us that everything is possible when you have vision and, of course, good money. Do you think this building, this white castle, is a house or a hotel? And why do we love building such masterpieces in the village? Let me know in the comments, and while you're at it, don't forget to always like this video. Always like my videos, please. I mean, it makes me feel so happy knowing that you all love what I absolutely bring to your screen. I'll see you in the next video.